Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some quick and easy banana oatmeal muffin. First I am going to start with 3 bananas and I'm going to crush them with a fork. Now I am going to whisk together 2 eggs and add to my banana mixture. I am also going to add 1 cup milk, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and a teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. I am also going to add 2 cups of oatmeal along with 4 slices of strawberries. Now I am going to mix together all my ingredients and add a half cup mixture to each of my cupcake holders and bake for no more than 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees or until done. The baking time might vary depending on the type of oven that you're using. So now I am going to top my banana oatmeal muffin with some sprinkles and flaxseed just to top it off as a garnish. And I'm going to put them to bake. Then afterwards I'll show you the finished product. This is the finished product of my banana oatmeal muffins. This is a good recipe to try if you're at home and feel for something nice. You can, make some quick and easy banana oatmeal muffin. They're pretty easy to make. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next time, stay safe.